it's Morgan Ann and I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to show you guys how to make a tie-dye bleached matching set. I'm going to show you guys how I took a regular sweatshirt and a pair of regular joggers that were literally like $7 from Walmart. This and this and this. Oof. We're stuck. We're quarantined. Let's be creative. Let's do some DIYs and post some cool IG pics from our houses because we're staying indoors. So, if you haven't seen this face before, hey, oh, what's up, home skillet biscuit? My name's Morgan and you should totally subscribe to be part of this fam bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat at @IamSimplyMorgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening, and let's just get started with this video. My gray jumpsuit, be bleaching it, you know, giving you that Instagram, TikTok realness, hopefully with this basic outfit, making it look like money. So I just bought these from Walmart. I actually got them one size bigger than what I would usually get them, but, or maybe two, because that's a large in men's and that's a medium in men's, and I'm a small in men's, but this is all they had at my Walmart. So I was just like, I can live. I have this empty ketchup bottle that I got from Walmart and it's only 97 cents, you know, so I can fill my water and bleach with. I myself some rubber bands, literally. These were only 97 cents as well. I already had bleach in the house, so your girl's already prepared and ready to bleach. Now I'm about to fold this up and do some cool stuff. So let's time lapse. Now I'm taking this empty ketchup bottle that I bought and filling it up halfway. So half water, half bleach, but I'm gonna do half water right now. Does that look like half? Pretty much. Okay. Maybe. Just gotta shake it. Oh yeah, she's getting that much. Now I let it sit for a few. Now I'm going to rinse it off, but my camera is dying, so yeah, turn it on the water. Taking the rubber bands off and rinsing it off with my glove. Yeah. All ready for the finished product. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, bam! Oh snaps. She done it. And I got the orange sunnies to prove it. She bad. I am on another level. Look at this. Look at this fit right here. I'm about to wear this everywhere. You about to see me in this out in public, stunting. Only for a little bit because it's about to get real hot. Can't be wearing it for too long. Fashionista and comfy with my Air Force Ones. She is rocking the Air Force Ones. They're from Forever 21, giving you realness. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is definitely me going back to my roots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more DIY videos. I haven't done them in a minute. Used to be my go-to for YouTube, but I haven't done them. But let a girl know. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at @IamSimplyMorgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening. And I'll see you guys in my next video. A peace out. A home skillet, a biscuit.